It's never too early to start preparing for your future. Start working hard on finding the real you. Self-consciousness is the key to developing, and once you know who you are and what are the things that you're good at and what are the skills you could develop, it's only then when your life will change. There's nothing impossible if you formate your mentality in the right way. If you believe you can do it, and you have the willingness to put the right amount of time and effort, then I can guarantee you to succeed. Stop procrastinating and get into work.
It's actually not that difficult to succeed. All you need to do is work hard, eat hard, and sleep well. If you find things difficult, all you need to do is set yourself a little target. For example, earning $1 million.
In this life, you have to climb a mountain called knowledge. Sometimes it is going to be very difficult, and it will surely get harder with each step that you make towards the top. The most important is not to fall down, because you need a lot of strength to get back up and follow on the way that you have chosen. Even if you do get off your path,
try the hardest you can to get back on it, because when you will reach it, you won't regret it. Looking on the way that you have passed, looking where it took you, and all the doors that are open in front of you is really satisfying. So just go for your dreams and make them become a reality.
and never give up on the good things.
A-levels will be some of the toughest years of your life, but if you study hard enough, you'll be able to get through them with ease. With the qualifications you receive at the end, you'll be able to go to university and get a dream job.
It's not easy, but it's worth it. School is probably one of the most challenging things you will ever have to cope with. There will be moments where you feel helpless and you just want to give up, but keep going and you will achieve whatever you want.
Decisions. Decisions is something that's going to mark your life forever. Some decisions might close your doors, some might open them, but the important thing is that you're happy with your decisions. That those decisions will lead you what you want to be later on your life. That will lead you to succeed in what you want. That will lead you to be a great person and will be able to cooperate in the society you live in. Right, Jamie?
Yeah, exactly what he said. But knowledge is very, very valuable. Without knowledge, you don't get anywhere in life. So strive to beat everyone in the knowledge part.
Without knowledge, you won't be able to make any decisions. Yeah, exactly. No, all doors will be open.
Aim for the stars and always achieve the goal you set for yourself.
There are no limits to what you can do, except the limits you place on your own thinking. One of the happiest moments in your life is when you stop putting a lot of pressure on yourself and just do what you should. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness and bad days give you sleep.
Nowadays, you can't just be yourself. It's not enough. Try to be a better version of yourself through constantly progressing your skills and studies. You need to consider the fact that what you do now will have a direct effect on your future. If you want to succeed, you have to work extremely hard. Just imagine that everything comes easily to your hands. Would it encourage you to improve and work harder? I don't think so. All you need to remember is that the life is a mixture of different situations which help you to learn from them and draw conclusions. Remember, always aim high, respect everything that surrounds you, and believe in yourself, because you're the master of your own destiny.
It may seem hard, but with hard work and determination, you can get through it.
What she said.
Your future is in your hands. Not your teachers, not your parents, not even your friends. Yes, they may have some influence, and they might even affect your choices, but ultimately, you are in control. The choices you make today can and will affect the opportunities open to you tomorrow. So what do you need to succeed? The answer is simple. Participate. Follow your passion, but be mindful of your goals. What looks difficult today will become trivial tomorrow, given proper dedication and preparation.
Cuando llegáis a los últimos cursos tenéis que tomar decisiones importantes que afectarán a vuestro futuro. Simplemente guiaros por lo que os gusta.
Además, es el momento perfecto para aprovechar oportunidades y conseguir a estudiar en el extranjero. Yo, por ejemplo, si estoy estudiando en Irlanda, se lo recomiendo a cualquier persona.
A wise man named Gandhi once said, "Be the change you want to see in the world." What do you want to be? What change do you want to see?